Hey guys, Adam from PATN here. I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a little while since we did a bit of a video. We've got a proper exciting one today. For us, there's nothing better than when a member of staff gets a new car and they buy themselves a kit from ourselves so they can understand and enjoy the product that we do and also have a bit of faith and trust in what we do too. So this guy is Joe from behind the camera, usually non-existent, but here he is. He's picked himself up an E82 135i. It's had a few bits done to it. He loves it. He's a bit of a boy racer and he's been wondering what suspension that he needs to get for it. And to be fair, there's nothing better than the B12 kit. Real popular kit for us, to be honest with you. Part number 46-180537. And what you get in that kit is the absolutely legendary Bilstein B8s. Both front and back are a monotube shock. They come with the dust cover, they come with the bump stops already built in, and they get that real nice, like I said, legendary Bilstein yellow colour for it, which people know and love. Why would you go for the B8? The B8 basically comes with a shortened shock, shortened rod, and it accommodates for lowered springs. The lowered springs in question here are the IBAC Pro-Kit. Again, another bestseller. They're excellent for road use, fast use, a little bit of track maybe, real comfortable, real nice rides. You're going to see about a 30mm drop on the standard car, and you know what, they're really good use. A lot of people buy them because they're looking for something a bit more stable, looking for something that's going to look a lot better, but they don't want to be shaken down the road, especially with UK roads being so bad with potholes, right? So the combination of the both, the firmer shock, the real good ride quality from the springs, just gives you an all-around amazing setup for a fast road vehicle. And again, and maybe a bit of track use if you didn't want to go too serious. If you did, we've got the Bilstein B14s or the IBAC Pro Street S, which would be a full coilover setup, which would take you to the next level. But as for your everyday use, just looking for some improvement, really good quality. There really isn't much better than the Bilstein B12 kit. Real good use of the best shock absorbers in the market, which is Bilstein, and again, the best springs in the market, which is IBAC. If you've got any more questions, just drop it in the comments. We're happy to help. And what we'll do is we'll do a full video. Once it's got them on the car, you guys can take a look. You can see it. We'll get Joe back on the camera. Bless him, he's a little bit shy, and he'll give you his honest review as well. So super exciting one. And yeah, subscribe, stay tuned for more. See you soon.